Hello everyone, my name is Kakeru Ehara at Shibaura Institute of Technology, Japan. I would like to introduce my research titled Individual Status Recognition System Assisted by UAV in Post-Disaster. When natural disasters occur, rescue teams have to aid many injured people as fast as possible. To make more efficient rescue activities, we propose a recognition system of individual status by using unmanned aerial vehicles. The system design is as follows. UAVs scan disaster area and provide aerial images while sending these data to the server. If the server detects the individual during scanning mission, the status of the person will be classified by developed classification model. We try to detect the person from obtained image automatically by using a single-shot matchbox detector algorithm. Then apply CNN machine learning model to the segmented image. The test data images will be classified into three status. Finally, lying means serious injury, sitting means minor injury, and standing means being intact. The test data accuracies were showed highly accuracy 95.6%. Our conclusion in this research, proposing a solution for autonomous recognition system using UAV and machine learning and image processing method instead of personnel can support helping refugees and rescue teams in post-disaster case scenario. Thank you.